Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to prevent users for delete browser history in Microsoft Edge. So guys, it's very easy and simple method. So first you need to click on start. Now type registry editor. Now right click on registry editor. Now click on run as administrator. Now need to click on file. Now export. Now you see export range. Click on all. Now you select your you need to save desktop, so click on desktop. Now again file, input, and you save. You desktop and music, right? So now you need to double click on H key location machine. Now expand software. Now polylist. Now click on. Now right click on it, Microsoft, and new key. Now type Edge. Now you see this right side, and you see this, click on it, right click on it, and you see this D world, click on it. Now type here allow deleting browser history, type here this, and click on save. Now click on OK. Now close it. And restart your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.